Invest in land. The ultimate guide. Owning land is not simply a matter of securing your financial future, it's a pivotal choice. Its historical stability, potential for substantial appreciation and the opportunity for development make it a cornerstone of wealth building. Unlike some investments, land values tend to grow steadily, creating a long-term legacy. Whether you're an experienced investor or new to the game, never underestimate its enduring power. Let's get into this wealth-building process. Number 1. Types of land investments. This comes in 3 primary sectors: agricultural, residential and commercial. Agricultural land is the realm of farming, where crops and livestock thrive. Residential land is where homes are built and where people live. Commercial land, where businesses set up shop. Each category offers unique benefits and challenges. Agricultural land provides stability and long-term potential but demands expertise. Residential land can generate a steady income through rentals, yet it requires efficient tenant management. Commercial land ventures into higher risks with potentially greater rewards. It's important to know which is right for you in your investment path to wealth. 2. Location matters. It's all about finding that sweet spot. A piece of land in a thriving, growing area is like gold. It's not just about the land itself, it's what's around it. The closer you are to amenities, schools, shopping centers and infrastructure, the more your land can be worth. Think about it. A plot in a bustling city versus one in the middle of nowhere makes a big difference. So, when you're investing in land, make sure you consider the location. It could make or break your investment. 3. Research and due diligence. When it comes to investing in land, thorough research is your guiding light. Don't just buy a piece of land that looks good on the surface. You need to dig deep into the details. Start by examining zoning regulations, property history and potential red flags. Ensure you get comprehensive land surveys done, assess the soil quality and be well versed in any legal restrictions that might affect your investment. Also, keep a close eye on market trends and consider the development potential of the surrounding neighborhood. Remember, in the land investment game, knowledge is power and thorough research is the foundation of your success. 4. Budgeting for land investment. To start, you need a clear, realistic budget that encompasses not only the purchase price but also additional expenses like surveys, legal fees and taxes. Ongoing costs such as maintenance and potential development expenses should also be factored in. Ensure that you're fully aware of your financial constraints, and resist the urge to let emotions sway your decisions. Sticking to your budget is a must in successful land investment. 5. Understanding zoning laws. This may not be the most thrilling subject, but they're indispensable for land investors. These local regulations dictate how you can use your land, so pay close attention. They come in different categories like residential, commercial and agricultural zones, each with its own set of rules. It's essential to understand what's permitted in the area you're considering for investment. Zoning can have a significant impact on your investment plans, so don't overlook this critical step. Doing research and comprehending the rules in your investment location is crucial for maximizing the potential of your land. 6. Assessing growth potential. When investing in land, consider not only the present but also the future. Evaluate factors like infrastructure development, population growth and economic trends in the area. Look for signs of increasing activity and the potential for appreciation. Don't just focus on today, think 5, 10 or 20 years down the road. By assessing the growth potential and seeking out signs of a thriving future, you'll be better prepared to make informed land investment decisions. Join our blog, BraylenAV.com, for access to expert tips, the latest updates, and a treasure trove of knowledge. Come along for the ride. We'll see you there. 7. Land improvement and development. The key here is to make smart investments in improvements that boost its potential. Consider subdividing the land, adding utilities or even exploring the possibility of rezoning if it makes sense for your investment goals. Developing infrastructure, like roads and utilities, can significantly increase your land's worth. Keep in mind that patience is key. Land development takes time, and it's not an overnight process. Stay committed to your long-term vision, and you'll see your land's value grow over the years. 8. Land features and topography. The terrain, water sources and soil quality can make or break your investment. A flat, easily buildable terrain is typically more valuable than steep, rocky land. Access to water, whether it's a river, lake, or even a well, can be a big plus. Good soil quality is a must for agriculture and landscaping projects. Before investing, assess these features carefully, as they directly impact your land's value. 9. Legal considerations. Let's demystify the legal side of land ownership, which includes titles, deeds, and property rights. Your land's title is the legal proof of ownership, and deeds are the documents that facilitate the transfer of this ownership, coming in different types to suit different scenarios. Alongside this, it's vital to understand the specific rights associated with your land, such as mineral rights or easements, which grant others access to your property. Being well versed in these aspects is essential to protect your investment and ensure you're on solid ground in the world of land ownership. Remember, it's about safeguarding your interests, navigating the legal landscape, and ensuring a secure investment. 10. Infrastructure and accessibility. Having the right infrastructure nearby can significantly affect your land's value. Things like roads, utilities, and public services matter. If your land is easily accessible, it's not just convenient but can be more valuable. Think about it. Would you rather have a plot in the middle of nowhere or one with a smooth road leading right to it? So when you're investing in land, don't underestimate the importance of infrastructure and accessibility. It's a game changer. 11. Financing options. There are various options on the table, and it's essential to explore them all. Mortgages can be a good choice if you're looking for long-term financing, but you'll need a solid credit score. Loans can offer flexibility, but interest rates can vary. Don't forget about seller financing. It's like cutting out the middleman. Plus, there are land-specific loans designed just for this purpose. The key here is to assess your financial situation and choose the financing option that aligns best with your investment goals. When it comes to funding your land investment, remember, there's more than one path to success. 12. Land developers and realtors. Let's unravel the roles of professionals in the land investment process. Land developers can turn a raw piece of land into a valuable asset through development projects. They understand the market, zoning laws, and what makes land tick. Realtors, on the other hand, are your go-to experts for buying and selling land. They have the knowledge and networks to help you find the right property or buyer. When diving into land investment, consider collaborating with these professionals. They can be your guiding stars on this journey. Whether it's a developer or a realtor, remember, they can be your allies in the world of land investment. 13. Land appreciation. As populations grow and cities expand, the demand for land increases. Limited supply and rising demand can lead to a steady rise in land values. But, keep in mind that land appreciation takes time. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. The key is to invest wisely and hold onto your land for the long haul. It can appreciate for various reasons, like economic growth, infrastructure development, or zoning changes. So, when you're thinking about land investments, consider the potential for long-term appreciation, and you might just reap the rewards in the years to come. 14. Professional counsel and land inspection. These are two crucial aspects. First, professional counsel. It's seeking advice from experts like real estate attorneys or financial advisors who can help you navigate the complex world of land investment. They'll ensure your transactions are legally sound and financially smart. Second, land inspection. Before making a land purchase, a thorough inspection is a must. You need to assess the land's condition, boundaries, and any potential issues. It's not just about what you see on the surface. It's uncovering any hidden problems. When investing in land, don't shy away from professional counsel, and always get a comprehensive land inspection. These steps can save you from costly mistakes and set you on the path to a successful investment. We hope this guide has opened up the incredible opportunities that investing in land can bring to your financial future. Keep in mind, it's not just about acquiring a piece of land. It's securing your long-term wealth and ensuring financial stability for you and your family. If you found the information in this guide valuable, I encourage you to share it with anyone who might benefit. And if you have any questions or wish to share your land investment experiences, please feel free to reach out in the comments below. Your journey into land investment is only beginning, and the possibilities are boundless. Stay dedicated to your goals, conduct thorough research, and don't hesitate to seek professional advice when necessary. Your investments in land can be the cornerstone of your financial success.